Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Attila and this is Mustard Paste. So before we could go any further, you could subscribe to my channel. Why? Because you can. Take a risk. Live dangerously. Smack that like button like there is no tomorrow. Intro. You might still remember my previous video. Call this one alien poop. So let's grab that poop and make something out of it. That's probably the weirdest thing I said in a long time.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
So the poop has hair in it.
We can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a It won't go away. I got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty. Because there ain't nobody love you like I do. 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 Like I listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be there.
So this thing will be a little bit smaller than I expected it to be, so I need to make it a little bit bigger. Change of plans. Let's make up some legs. Let's do that.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in that little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
I am exploring my artistic side, so I decided to experiment with new camera angles. And how does this one work for you? So off camera I made two more of these legs like this. So I have 3 all together, and also 2 more of these. So now I have 3 of these as well. I'm not sure about this camera angle.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in that little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want, keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. Baby summertime. Now I don't really break too easy, but I'm worth it.
So finally all the parts are finished and turned, so now it's only the matter of time to put them together. That is actually not easy, like it has to, you know, the legs like and like, you know.
You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I done it, finally finished it. I glued up all the pieces and look at this. It turned out really good. I'm happy with this. I don't think there is anything I would change on it. I would say this is my best work yet. It's definitely more technical than the giant acorn, but the giant acorn turned out really well as well. But this one, because it's more technical, I think this is my best work yet. Look how thin is it. I managed to hollow it out. The wall thickness is less than half a centimeter. It's about 4 millimeters without breaking it, and I'm new to wood turning. So I like this one. So if you think this is a cool project, you could subscribe to my channel and maybe like the video if you liked it. And as always, I will put some proper picture of this at the end of the video. And thank you for watching, and just watch out for the next one. See you later.